On 3rd August 2023, members of the Federation of Khasi Jaintia and Garo People, FKJGP Upper Shillong Circle, under the leadership of its president Kitbot Langnonglang, had met the Minister in charge of Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Department, A.L. Hek, on reports of land deal between the department and owners of the petrol pump at Anjali Point for its relocation to the department site at Upper Shillong. Speaking on the matter, Kitbot Langnonglang informed that the FKJGP Upper Shillong Circle had recently received information on a joint inspection between officials of the Veterinary and Animal Husbandry Department and owners of the Anjali petrol pump for the relocation of the service station at Upper Shillong in order to ease traffic congestion in the area where it is currently located. The circle leader of the organization further informed that while the members are not opposed to the relocation of the petrol pump, but are against the choice of site which they feel has to be developed further in order to cater to the needs of dairy farmers in and around Upper Shillong area.
Jingwan jong interaksi nak lihat juga FKJP Upper Shillong Circle, jing senrar lang Chief Organizing Secretary juga setelah budi, pani kendo you concern Minister beri pet kimi ya ka tanak di sini juga veterinary hek. Kejingwan jong ni pani kendo kolong hadian ba nilayo ke cikte patikana ba mendem step kanu ke inspection apreng ka department juga veterinary ba lakhli bat ka tu gening yo officer ban ai jaka ya uni potol pom Anjali ban chef no shapo Upper Shillong. Bak kata jaka ke bagi pan nak yang jong ni potol pom Anjali kalong do khalai jar sanspa square feet ke jaka ban sna yang tu potol pom. Dia kata ngi wan ye kendu minister kan ke puam ban penpau ke jeng persya ke bangi leleru nginom ailat begini ibril ke bar begini yo jaka hapo ke jela ke jungi khamtam ba kidi non tribal wah ngin kerja bina kata kidi ibril ke bar ngi kidi schedule area pak kuma kalong ta ke veterinary kadang dan kamban penyiar susu ki bubun ki tenat ban sakri ni iba ka jing kiu juga marba margi ido ini segi bomta sil ba ka jingdan jong tiga jaka po Upper Shillong jong veterinary kan yarap susu ban le ikiwi pat ki farming ki bang tay mar ka bodan maka potensial hadu kata ta ka jaka ka balahe kalau huruf surok bat kepala praktis adung sana puas praktis ni horkit hordang nak yang jong seng nginom ailat ba kane ka jing ai jaka yung ni petrol pom Anjali budai do sam jingi bagian ai sak tiga jaka ban snai ka petrol pom tay po Upper Shillong dia katahi dia gerbana kalian jong minister wa su ongingi ba kani kam hap bo cikwi jugu nomor report khoi gilale kata tempat urban affairs ban penhe ya kata smart city ban wara itu development gitu repair rega veterinary apa kadon ke jaka kasu ai ke jaka kat kumka instruction ya government tina kalian jongi hadian dengan stu ba health veterinary minister umla macam berai highway bang penta nomor ka jaka ke Shillong tang omuti peni ka jaka dengan saya ya ru segi bor ke jong wal ada beni kundu chief minister ne yiwi bor ke kimi ru in sa sim senjam patikana bat om tang nak lihat seng le ngi pinti ba kani ke jeng ai jaka segi parsela nak lihat jong ingin persa ke ordang bat ni sa mobilize ru da kanu no ka senjam ke kham tenge la sarkar kam skap ini ke jeng awang jong